we want to convert decimals into percentages. So for converting decimals into percentages, we have the same rule as question number 3, that we have converted fractions into percentages. For converting fraction into percentages, what we have learned, that if a fraction is written like 2/5, so for converting this fraction into decimal, into percentage, for converting into percentage, we had multiplied by 100. So this same rule we will follow for this question. The same question, the same concept is repeating here, that if we want to convert decimals into percentages, like here we have a question which is 0.16. So if I have a question 0.16, now the question is convert decimals into percentages. So how can I convert this decimal into percentage? By multiplying it by 100. Now the thing is, 100, you have to write 100% because we are converting it into percentage. So you have to write multiply by 100%. Now what we have to learn here is, if we are multiplying any number by 100, so we have two zeros here. So whenever a number is multiplying by 100, so we will move the decimal on the right hand side. Where we will move? On the right hand side. You can also convert this 0.1, you can also multiply this 0.16 by 100 by following the methods which you have learned in the previous classes, that you have to convert manually 0.16 multiply by 100, or you can also done this math. You can also try this method, that we have decimal here. This decimal is multiplying by 100. So what we will do, we will according to two zeros, we will move the decimal on the right hand side. Whenever a number is multiplying by 100, so there are two zeros, so we will shift decimal towards the right hand side by 2 digits. Now the answer will become 16%. This is a very simple method. What we have done, we have a question as 0.16, and we want to convert this decimal into percentage. So for percentage, you have to multiply it by 100% number. So 100% number is multiplying by 0.16, and where decimal point will move? It will move towards the right hand side. How many zeros are there? Two zeros are there. So 2 digits. It will move 2 digits on the right hand side. Now your decimal place is here. So you will write 16%, because